You've landed a good job and the salary's coming in. But after the bills are paid, you have this nagging question. What are you actually supposed to be doing with the rest of it? The path from earning to wealth building can feel confusing. In this video, we're breaking down the 5 smartest money moves every young professional in the UK needs to make. Let's build your foundation. Before we get started, just a quick reminder, I'm not a financial advisor and this video is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research and consider speaking to a professional before making any investment decisions. Move number 1 is the bedrock of your financial life, an emergency fund. This is 3 to 6 months worth of essential living expenses, sitting in an easy access savings account. It's your financial lifeboat that stops a surprise bill from becoming a disaster. Your first step? Open a separate, high-yield savings account and set up an automatic transfer for the day you get paid. Aim for £1,000 first, then build it up. Next, go to war with high-interest debt. I'm talking about credit cards and personal loans. Trying to build wealth while carrying this debt is like climbing a ladder with a weighted vest on. The double-digit interest you're paying will erase your investment gains. The fastest way to clear it is the avalanche method. Pay minimums on all debts, then throw every spare pound at the one with the highest interest rate until it's gone. With debt under control, it's time for the closest thing to free money you'll ever get: your workplace pension. If your employer offers to match your contributions, you must contribute enough to get the full match. Not doing so is literally turning down free money from your salary, with the added bonus of tax relief. Check your pension portal or contract today and make sure you are getting every single penny. For your medium-term goals like a house deposit, the answer is a stocks and shares ISA. You can invest up to £20,000 per year and all your profit is completely tax-free forever. This is your primary wealth-building engine. The best starting point for most people is to open an ISA with a platform like Vanguard and invest in a simple, low-cost global index fund. This gives you instant diversification across the world's biggest companies. Finally, none of this works without a system. You need a budget. Use the simple 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your take-home pay for needs like rent, 30% for wants like hobbies, and a strict 20% for your financial goals, debt and investments. The easiest way to stick to this is to automate it. Set up standing orders to move your 20% to savings and investments the day you get paid. This empowers you by telling your money exactly where to go. There's one final bonus point that makes all of this work: the right mindset. Building wealth isn't about complex secrets. It's about consistency. It's about making small, smart decisions every single month. Don't get discouraged if you see others making risky bets online. Our path is the proven one. Focus on your plan, automate your savings and investments, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting over time. Consistency will beat intensity every single time. So there you have it, the 5 foundational steps. If you found this guide valuable, subscribe to Capital Catalyst UK for a new, no-nonsense financial strategy video every single week. Your journey to wealth starts now.